Hi children, I'm Pratyusha. Today we are going to learn chapter 5 of our mathematics textbook, that is numbers from 10 to 20. In our previous class, we have learned how these numbers are formed, right? So today we are going to do some textbook exercises on the same chapter. Children, in the box you can see some sticks, right? So let us count the sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So there are 10 sticks. We have made it into a bundle of 10 sticks. Below that you can see some cherries. So let us count the cherries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. There are 10 cherries. A bundle of 10 cherries. Next, there are some matchsticks. Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. There are 10 matchsticks. So, they have made it into a bundle of 10 matchsticks. Below that, you can see some bananas, right? Let us count the bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. There are 10 bananas, a bundle of 10. Next, make a group of 10. Children, in the box you can see there are some onions. So what did they do? They have made a group of 10 onions, right? So outside the group you can see 4 onions. So 10 plus 4 total there are 14 onions. In the same way there are some ice creams given below. Let us count the ice creams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. What should we do? We have to make a group of 10 ice creams. Children, try to make a group of 10 ice creams. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Yes, I have made a group of 10 ice creams. And how many are left? 2 ice creams are left. So 10 plus 2 is 12. So total we have 12 ice creams in this box. Next, children, here you can see some glass jars, right? How many glass jars are there? First we have to make a 10 group, right? So let us count 10 and make a group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Yes, I have made a group. Now how many are left? 1, 2, 3. So 10 plus 3, that is 13. Total we have 13 glass jars. Next, children, in the box you can see some leaves, right? So first we shall make a group of 10 leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Yes, draw a line around these 10 leaves. Now count how many leaves are outside the group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 plus 6, that is 16. Total there are 16 leaves. Next, yes, in the next box you can see some toffees, chocolates, right? First we shall make a group of 10 chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Make a group of 10 chocolates, children. Draw a line around 10 chocolates. Now let us count how many chocolates are outside the group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 plus 9, that is 19. 19 chocolates are there in the box. Next, counting from 10 to 20. Fill in the blanks. Children, in the first box you can see some matchsticks, right? There are 9 matchsticks. Plus we are going to add one more matchstick. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. In the next box you can see 10 plus 1. What is 10 plus 1? Yes, 11. 10 plus 1 is 11. In the picture you can see there is a bundle of 10 matchsticks plus 1 individual matchstick. 10 plus 1 is 11. In number 11, there is 1 10 and 1 1. So 1 is in tens place and 1 is in ones place. Next, 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. In number 12, we have 1 10 and 2 ones. So 1 is in tens place and 2 is in ones place. Next, 10 plus 3. What is 10 plus 3? 10 plus 3 is 13. In 13 we have 1 10 and 3 ones. So 1 is in tens place and 3 is in ones place. Next, 10 plus 4. Children, here matchsticks are not given, so what you have to do? You have to draw 4 matchsticks. 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. In 14 we have 1 10 and 4 ones. So 1 is in tens place and 4 is in ones place. Next, 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5 is 15. In 15 we have 1 10 and 5 ones. You can see in the picture there is one bundle of 10 matchsticks and 5 individual matchsticks. So 1 is in tens place and 5 is in ones place. Next, 10 plus 6. 10 plus 6 is 16. In 16 we have 1 10 and 6 ones. So 1 is in tens place and 6 is in ones place. Next, 10 plus 7. What is 10 plus 7? 10 plus 7 is 17. In 17 we have 1 10 and 7 ones. So 1 is in tens place and 7 is in ones place. Next, 10 plus 8. 10 plus 8 is 18. In 18 we have 1 10 and 8 ones. So 1 is in tens place and 8 is in ones place. Next, 10 plus 9. 10 plus 9 is 19. In 19 we have 1 10 and 9 ones. So 1 is in tens place and 9 is in ones place. Next, 10 plus 10. Here you can see there are 2 bundles. 10 plus 10. 2 bundles we have. So there are 2 tens. So 2 is in tens place and there are no individual matchsticks. So 0 is in ones place. In 20 we have 2 tens and no ones. Next, make a group of 10 and write numbers. Children, here you can see some ice creams, right? What should we do? We have to make a group of 10 items. Okay, we have to make a group of 10 items and write the number. The first thing is already done. They have circled 10 ice creams. The number is 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3 is 13. In 13, 1 is in tens place and 3 is in ones place. There is 1 10 group and 3 individual ice creams. So 10 plus 3, that is 13. Next, here you can see some lanterns, right? First, make a group of 10 lanterns, children. I have made a group of 10 lanterns. Now, how many lanterns are outside the group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 10 plus 5 is 15. 1, 5, 15. In 15, which number is at tens place? 1. And which digit is in ones place? 5. Yes. Next, children, here you can see some onions, right? Make a group of 10 onions, children. Yes, how many onions are outside the group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Isn't it? So, 10 plus 8 is 18. How many tens group we have? Only 1 10 group. And there are 8 individual onions. So, 10 plus 8 is 18. In number 18, 1 is in tens place and 8 is in ones place. Next, you can see some baskets here. First, make a group of 10 baskets, children. Yes, you have made it right. Now, let us count how many baskets are outside the group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, 10 plus 9 is 19. In number 19, which number is at tens place? Yes, 1. And which digit is at ones place? Yes, 9. In 19 we have 1 10 and 9 ones. Next, there are snakes. First make a group of 10 snakes, children. Yes, now how many snakes are outside the group? Only one, right? So 10 plus 1 is 11. In 11 we have 1 10 and 1 1. So 1 is in 10's place and 1 is in 1's place. Next, children, here you can see some scissors, right? So make a group of 10 scissors. How many scissors are outside the group, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 scissors outside the group. So 10 plus 6 is 16. In number 16, which digit is at 10's place? Yes, 1. In number 16, which digit is at 1's place? Yes, 6. Next, children, here you can see some kettles, right? Make a group of 10 kettles. How many kettles are outside the group? 3, right? So 10 plus 3 is 13. In number 13, which digit is at 10's place? 1. And which digit is at 1's place? Yes, 3. Next, children, you can see some spades here, right? So make a group of 10 spades. How many spades are outside the group? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 plus 4 is 14. In number 14, which digit is at 10's place? 1. And which digit is at 1's place? 4. So in number 14, there is 1 10 and 4 ones. Next, complete the table. Children, here you can see 1 10. You can see a bundle of 10 matchsticks. So here you can see the boxes are given. You have to write number 10 in all these boxes. Next, 1 10 plus 1 1. 1 10 plus 1 1 is equal to 11. So write number 11 in the given boxes. I too have written. Next, 1 10 plus 2 ones. 1 10 plus 2 ones is equal to 12. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Write number 12 in the given boxes. Next, 1 10 plus 3 ones. 10 plus 3 is 13. Write number 13 in the given boxes. Next, 1 10 plus 4 ones. 1 10 plus 4 ones is equal to 14. 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. Write number 14. Next, 1 10 plus 5 ones. 10 plus 5 is 15. Write number 15. Next, 1 10 plus 6 ones. 10 plus 6 is 16. Next, 1 10 plus 7 ones. 10 plus 7 is 17. Write number 17. Next, 1 10 plus 8 ones. 10 plus 8 is 18. Write number 18. Next, 1 10 plus 9 ones. 10 plus 9 is 19. Write number 19. And at last, 1 10 plus 1 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. Write number 20. Next, tick the group with more objects. Children, here you can see there are 2 boxes, right? One is towards left and one is towards right. So, towards left there are some pots and towards right there are some pots. So, which group has more objects? We have to tick that group. First, let us count the pots in the left box. Count with me, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Yeah. So, in the left box we have 14 pots. Let's count the number of pots in the right side box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes, towards right we have 13 pots. So, which is greater? 14 or 13? 14, right? So the left side box has more pods. Tick the left side box. Next, children, here you can see some leaves towards left and towards right. First, let us count the leaves which are towards left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, there are 14 leaves towards left. Now let us count the number of leaves towards right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, so which side has more leaves? Right side. So take the right box. Next, children, here you can see some balls, right? First, let us count the number of balls in the left side box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15 balls towards left. Now let us count the number of balls towards right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there are 11 balls towards right and 15 balls towards left. So the number of balls towards left are more. Tick the left side box. Next, there are some mangoes. Let us count the number of mangoes towards left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There are 17 mangoes towards left. Now let us count the number of mangoes towards right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yes, there are more number of mangoes towards right side. So tick the right side box. Next, join in order. Children, in the picture you can see numbers, right? And you know the right order of numbers, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So what should you do? You have to join these dots from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4 and so on. And you have to tell me, what did you get after joining these numbers? Yes, I too have joined and I have got number 5. Next, write the missing numbers. Children, here some numbers are given and some numbers are not given. So what should we do? We have to write the missing numbers. Which number comes after 10? 11, right? Already 12 is given. After 12, 13. After 13, 14. And 15 is already given. After 15, 16. After 16, 17. After 17, 18. Then 19. And then 20. Next, 16-18. So what comes between 16 and 18? Yes, 17. 16, 17, 18. Next, what comes between 13 and 15? 13, 14, 15. What comes after 18? Children, tell me which number comes after 18? 19, right? Which number comes after 19? 20. 18, 19, 20. Next, what comes after 14? Children, tell me which number comes after 14? 15, right? After 15, 16. Next, what comes before 16? Which number comes before 16? Yes, 15. Write numbers before and after 9. Which number comes before 9? 8. And which number comes after 9? 10. Next, write numbers before and after 18. Which number comes before 18? 17. And which number comes after 18? 19. Write numbers before and after 10. Children, tell me which number comes before 10? Yes, 9. And which number comes after 10? 11. Good. Next, circle the bigger number. Children, here you can see two numbers are given, right? So what should we do? We have to circle the bigger number, right? 11, 13. In 11 and 13, which is the bigger number? 13. So they have circled 13. In the same way, you have to solve the remaining 13 and 15. Between 13 and 15, which is the bigger number? Yes, 15. So circle 15. Next, 18 and 8. Between 18 and 8, which is the bigger number? 18. So circle 18. Next, 12 and 8. Between 12 and 8, which is the bigger number? 12. So circle 12. Next, 17 and 7. Between 17 and 7, which is the bigger number? 17. So circle 17. Next, between 11 and 10, which is the bigger number? 11, right? So circle 11. Next, between 16 and 6, which is the bigger number? 16, right? So circle 16. Between 1 and 11, which is the bigger number? 11. So circle 11. Next, 9 and 19. Between 9 and 19, which is the bigger number? 19. So circle 19. Next, circle the smaller number. Yes, earlier we have circled the bigger number. Now we have to circle the smaller number. 20 and 10. Between 20 and 10, which is the smaller number? 10. So they have circled 10. So among the remaining numbers, what should we do? We have to circle the smaller number. Between 6 and 4, which is the smaller? 4. So circle 4. Next, between 10 and 12, which is smaller? 10. Right. So circle 10. Next, between 11 and 9, which is the smaller number? 9. So circle 9. Next, between 5 and 15, which is the smaller number? 5. So circle 5. Next, between 12 and 2, which is the smaller number? 2. So circle 2. Next, between 16 and 17, which is the smaller number? 16. So circle 16. Next, between 9 and 10, which is the smaller number? 9. So circle 9. Next, between 15 and 13, which is the smaller number? Yes, 13 is smaller. So circle 13. Next, circle the biggest number. Children, earlier they have given only two numbers and we have identified smaller and bigger number between the two numbers. Now they have given three numbers. So we have to find the biggest among three numbers. What are the three numbers? 13, 3 and 9. So among these three numbers, which is the biggest? Yes, 13 is the biggest. In the same way, we have to find out the biggest from the given group of three numbers. 12, 15 and 20. Among 12, 15 and 20, which is the biggest number? Yes, 20. So circle 20. Next, 10, 5 and 12. Among 10, 5 and 12, which is the biggest number? Yes, 12 is the biggest number. Circle 12. Next, among 11, 12 and 13, which is the biggest number? Yes, 13. So circle 13. Next, among 19, 18 and 17, which is the biggest number? Yes, 19. So circle 19. Next, among 13, 16 and 14, which is the biggest number? 16, right? So circle 16. Next, circle the smallest number. Children, here they have given three numbers. What should we do? We have to find out the smallest among three numbers. Among 3, 2 and 4, which is the smallest number? 2. So they have circled 2. In the same way, among the given numbers, we have to find out which is the smallest. 14, 16 and 12. Among these three numbers, which is the smallest number? 12, right? So circle 12. Next, 15, 7 and 20. Among 15, 7 and 20, which is the smallest number? 7. So circle 7. Next, among 19, 8 and 9, which is the smallest number? Yes, 8. So circle 8. Next, among 1, 10 and 20, which is the smallest number? Yes, 1. So circle 1. Next, among 16, 15 and 14, which is the smallest number? Yes, 14. So circle 14. Next, addition. Children, you have already learnt addition, right? So now you have to do this by your own. 4 plus 5. What is 4 plus 5? Count 4 numbers after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 plus 4 is 9. Next, 5 plus 2. Let us count 2 numbers after 5. 6, 7. So 5 plus 2 is 7. Next, 0 plus 3. Nothing plus 3 is 3. Next, 6 plus 2. Let us count 2 numbers after 6. 7, 8. So 6 plus 2 is 8. And at the bottom also there are some additions. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. 0 plus 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. 1 plus 7. What is 1 plus 7? Is 8. Children, here additions are given using some sticks. First, 8 plus 6. For 8 they have taken 8 sticks, and for 6 they have taken 6 sticks. Now, let us make a group of 10 sticks. Yes, I have made a bundle, and how many are left? 4 are left. So 8 plus 6 is 10 plus 4, that is 14. 12 plus 5. Children, in 12 we have 1 10 and 2 ones, right? So a bundle of 10 sticks and 2 individual sticks. Plus 5. So 5 individual sticks. So 12 plus 5 is equal to, we have 1 10 and 7 ones. So 12 plus 5 is equal to 10 plus 7, that is 17. Children, in the same way, try to solve the additions given. 8 plus 7. What is 8 plus 7? 15. Next, 9 plus 9. That is 18. 8 plus 5. That is 13. 6 plus 7. That is 13. 11 plus 5. That is 16. 4 plus 12, that is 16. 13 plus 5, that is 18. 0 plus 14, that is 14. Next, 5 plus 9, 5 plus 9 is 14. 7 plus 8, 7 plus 8 is 15. 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5 is 10. Next, 12 plus 7, 12 plus 7 is 19. Next, children, here you can see a word problem is given. Word problem means the problem is given in the form of words. Okay, we have to read and solve the problem. Rahul has 8 pencils. Rahul is a boy, he has 8 pencils. Sonu has 7 pencils. So Sonu has 7 pencils. How many pencils do they have all together? Children, already I said you. When I was teaching additions, I said you there are some keywords, okay? Like total, sum, plus, together and all together. If you see these words, it means that we have to do addition. Rahul has 8 pencils and Sonu has 7 pencils. So they are asking us how many pencils are there all together. So when you see the word all together, what should we do? We have to do addition. Number of pencils Rahul has is 8. Number of pencils Sonu has is 7. So total number of pencils they have is 8 plus 7. What is 8 plus 7? Yes, 15. So total there are 15 pencils. Next, Farida plucked 4 apples. Sita plucked 6 apples. Both put them together. How many apples are there now? Children, Farida plucked 4 apples. Sita plucked 6 apples. So, how many apples did they pluck all together? In the question you can see together, right? Together indicates addition. So, what is 6 plus 4? 10, right? Number of apples plucked by Farida are 4 and number of apples plucked by Sita are 6. So total number of apples are 4 plus 6, that is 10. Next, subtraction. Children, you also have learned subtraction, right? Subtraction means removing. 7 minus 4. So remove 4 minus 7. Count numbers after 4 till 7. 5, 6, 7. So 7 minus 4 is 3. Next, 2 minus 2. If you remove 2 from 2, what will be remaining? 0. Next, 9 minus 8. What is 9 minus 8? Yes, that is 1. Next, 6 minus 2. So count numbers from 3 to 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 minus 2 is 4. In the same way, try to solve the remaining problems, children. 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. 4 minus 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. Next, 17 minus 5. Children, in 17, we have 1 10 and 7 ones. Isn't it? In the picture you can see there is a bundle of 10 bananas and 7 individual bananas. Now we are going to remove 5 bananas. I have crossed 5 bananas. So how many are remaining? 1 10 plus 2 ones. That means 10 plus 2, that is 12. 17 minus 5 is 12. In the same way, you can draw lines and solve the remaining subtraction problems, children. 15 minus 4. 15 minus 4 is 11. Next, 19 minus 7. 19 minus 7 is 12. Next, 17 minus 2. 17 minus 2 is 15. Next, 12 minus 1. 12 minus 1 is 11. Next, 18 minus 8. 18 minus 8 is 10. 17 minus 5. 17 minus 5 is 12. 11 minus 1. 11 minus 1 is 10. Next, 14 minus 3. 14 minus 3 is 11. 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 is 8. 13 minus 0. 13 minus 0 is 13. Next, 17 minus 4. 17 minus 4 is 13. 18 minus 3. 18 minus 3 is 15. 15 minus 5. 15 minus 5 is 10. 19 minus 8. 19 minus 8 is 11. 14 minus 4. 14 minus 4 is 10. 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6 is 7. Next, a word problem is given here. Sohan's mother brought 9 bananas from the market. She gave 4 bananas to Sohan. How many bananas was she left with? Children, they are asking how many bananas are left. Left means remaining. So if they ask about remaining, what should we do? Addition or subtraction? Subtraction, right? So when you see the word left or remaining, we have to do subtraction. So Sohan's mother bought 9 bananas and gave 4 to Sohan. How many are left? So what should we do? Subtraction. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. Number of bananas Sohan's mother had bought is 9. Number of bananas mother gave to Sohan is 4. So number of bananas left are 9 minus 4, that is 5. Next, Rahim had 8 flowers. He put 3 flowers in a vase. How many flowers was he left with? Rahim had 8 flowers. He has put 3 flowers in vase. So how many are left? They are asking us how many are left. Left means remaining. To find out remaining, what should we do? Addition or subtraction? Subtraction, right? So 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Number of flowers Rahim had are 8 and number of flowers he put in the vase are 3. How many are left with him now? 8 minus 3, that is 5. Next, addition practice. Children, here some additions are given. You have to do them by your own, okay? And then check the answers. 3 plus 7 is 10. 5 plus 8 is 13. 6 plus 8 is 14. 9 plus 9 is 18. 7 plus 6 is 13. 9 plus 2 is 11. 8 plus 7 is 15. 4 plus 8 is 12. Next, subtraction practice. Children, here some subtraction problems are given. You have to solve them by yourself and then check the answers, right? 13 minus 7 is 6. 15 minus 3 is 12. 19 minus 6 is 13. 17 minus 4 is 13. 16 minus 6 is 10. 12 minus 0 is 12. 14 minus 3 is 11. And 18 minus 7 is 11. That's all for today, children. Thank you all. Have a good day.